Hello viewers, welcome to Doordarshan Kendra Kohima. Today we have a very important to discuss on rabies control, rabies facts, not fear. As we all know, World Rabies Day is observed on September 28 every year and globally to create awareness among the pet owners and general public about the importance of rabies in dogs, rabies disease in dogs, its prevention and various control measures. This day is observed to mark the death anniversary of Louis Pasteur, a French chemist and microbiologist who first developed the rabies vaccine. For the year 2021, the theme for the World Rabies Day is rabies control, rabies facts, not fear. And today we have a panel of experts from the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, Dr. Elizabeth Yome and Ms. Petinho, an internee from the Hospital of Veterinary Hospital Kohima. To begin with, thank you so much for joining us. To begin our discussion with Dr. Elizabeth, can you please elaborate a little bit on the theme?
This year, the 28th of September 2021, World Rabies Day theme is Rabies Control, Rabies Fact Not Fear. It focuses on sharing about facts about rabies disease and not creating fear about the disease to the public. Rabies facts relates to sharing about the various disease condition of rabies, its prevention and control measures, and the need for vaccinating of all dog population, and ensuring people who have been exposed to rabies disease to get vaccinated. Rabies fear refers to the fear about the diseases, fear related to the symptoms that a person will suffer when he's been infected, and fear that is being caused by fake news, and thus resulting in fear of vaccination of their dogs and fear of vaccination of the human beings now after being in touch with a rabid dog. We still have a long way to go to fight against this disease rabies. It's a day for reflection for all of us that we have a long way to go to fight against this disease globally, because many people die every year because of this disease. This day is a great opportunity for all of us to create awareness through various social media, mass media, radio talks, television show, to all stakeholders, organizations, NGOs, school and college students to join hands together to fight against this disease.
Okay. Ms. Petinho, in layman's term, can you please tell us what is rabies in dog?
Well, rabies is one of the most alarming viral diseases of dog, and it is caused by a bullet-shaped virus known as rhabdovirus.
Okay. Dr. Elizabeth, can you tell us how does this disease spread?
Rabies is a zoonotic disease, viral disease that is being transmitted through saliva, bites and secretion from an infected rabid dog to a healthy dog or to a human being.
Okay. So, Ms. Petinho, suppose my dog is infected by this rabies. So, how do I know the symptoms? What are the symptoms of the dogs that has this rabies disease?
The symptoms of rabies in dogs are there will be a change in its normal behavior. The dog will become very sensitive, alert and aggressive. And without any provocation, the dog will bite any person or any object that comes on its way. Some other symptoms which we will notice are there will be profuse salivation, inability to take food, paralysis of its jaw, and they will even have fear for water.
Okay.
And some other symptoms like incoordination in its movement, and then the dog will run around aimlessly. And in some cases, we will see that the dog will search for dark corners and then it will try to hide there.
Okay. So, Dr. Elizabeth, is this disease rabies preventable? Itu disease to prevent kurobo paria laga disease asena nohoi?
Yes, utu disease tu 100% na vaccine preventable disease ase.
Okay, okay. Then Ms. Petinio, can you tell us why do healthy dogs bite human?
A dog, when it feels there is a threat to its position, may bite any person. Sometimes some dogs by nature, they are very aggressive, and even at the slightest provocation, they may bite. Like by mistake, if you step on its tail, body, if you hit it with a stick or stone, or throw a stone at it, the dog might have the tendency to bite because of its aggressive nature. And in some cases, without any provocation, some dogs will bite. Now, this may be related to hereditary, late socialization, early bad experience, or it may be because of its nutritious status or because of the victim's behavior.
Okay.
Of all age group, children are at most risk for dog bites. This may be because of the child's behavior towards unfamiliar, strange dogs. Now, sometimes some dog, if it have the history that it had bitten someone in the past, then there always happen to be a chance that there will be a second bite case and so on.
Okay, so it's more risky. The children are at the risk group.
Yes,
Okay. So Dr. Elizabeth, can you tell us, does all the dog bite related to rabies? Kuta bara kiman ta kamori ase etu to sob rabies disease laga ase.
No, all dog bite cases are not related to rabies.
Okay.
Kuta do manuge kamura hantu sob rabies nohoy.
Okay.
Kumba time do mane pathor phalai dise noli kuta ke jobra mari dise noli kuta do khetai dise noli kumba time do stranger manu han mala gora hile do kuta do ni tala nature ase na it may tend to bite na. So all dog bite cases are not related to rabies.
Okay. Then Ms. Petinio, suppose a dog bites a person, to edu ki measure lobo lage? Kuta bara kamore damde amakhan ki kurubo lage?
If at any point of time a dog had bitten a person, then kuta la malik to kuta de loina should visit the nearest veterinary center at the earliest, and then go for examination and for a 10 days observation period. 10 days observation period is a must because within this 10 days period, in case if your dog has rabies or is rabid, then the dog will start showing other clinical symptoms which I have mentioned earlier, or the dog may die during this period. So this is 10 days observation is a must for the safety of the owner as well as the public in general.
Okay.
And for the person who had been bitten by a rabid dog or by a dog, he or she should wash the wound, that area properly with soap and water, and should consult a doctor as soon as possible and go for vaccination.
Okay.
Post-bite vaccine.
Okay, okay, okay. Dr. Elizabeth, how do we protect our pets from the rabies?
We can protect our pets from rabies disease or from any other diseases by always keeping the pet in a comfortable, clean, dry and shade. The dog shade should be well maintained and the feeding trough and water trough should always be cleaned daily. Provide well balanced nutritious diet to the dog with sufficient clean water daily. Every day allow your pet dog sufficient time for playing and exercising and for natural call. Never lose your dog without the honest supervision, and always see that the dog is being kept chained and only never allow it to play with any strange dog or to play with any person unknown to the household people. And whenever your dog is showing any signs of depression or loss of appetite or restless or aggressive, always consult a veterinary doctor or visit the nearest veterinary health center. A dog is often considered as man's best friend, but sometimes it can turn dangerous. Therefore, vaccination of your pet dog yearly with anti-rabies vaccination is a must.
Okay, so not all dogs are as friendly as when they are when they are ill.
Yeah.
Tahan man's best friend will be they might show some symptoms of depression when
Yeah.
they are having this disease.
When the dog na kun holbi man kuta pali thaking ne alop depressed ase alop komti bat khaise nolbi alop tala behavior to change from the normal behavior holi do malik kan do jolbi to kuta lot veterinary centers kan de noli veterinary doctors kan ge consult kuribule lage because kiba bimar thakya mi de kuta do is not showing its normal behavior.
Okay, so Ms. Petenio, how many times do we need to vaccinate a dog?
Okay, so the first vaccine, it should be given when your pet dog is 3 months of age, and in case if your pet dog is more than 3 months of age and you have never given rabies vaccine, then provided that your pet dog is fit and healthy, you can vaccinate it. And in both instances, after the first shot, we should go for yearly vaccination, and this will be for lifelong.
Okay, then how about before the vaccination, amikhan kutake ki kuri dibo lage, or after vaccination, management kina kuribo lage before and after the vaccination?
Okay, before vaccination, 1 week prior, we should deworm our pet dogs and then take for vaccination. And then we should never vaccinate our pet dogs if they are not feeling well, or if their appetite is reduced, or if they have any skin disease. Then you should not vaccinate your pet dogs. And after vaccination, the animal will be in stress, so you should provide it with well nutritious and balanced diet.
Okay, Dr. Elizabeth, earlier you said that when a dog bites a person, then the dog has to be kept under observation for 10 days. So what are the measures do we have to take if a dog bites a person and the dog dies within that 10 days observation period?
If the dog dies now within the 10 days period of observation, the owner should immediately report to the nearest veterinary health center or report to a veterinary doctor for sample collection for further laboratory tests to rule out any rabies disease condition or any other disease condition. And the dog should never be kept for consumption. It should be buried by deep barrel method, especially by digging a pit of about 4 to 5 feet and by using certain chemicals like formalin or potash or lime, etc. And it should be buried properly. Not only the dead dog, but the feeder trough, the water trough and the baiting materials all should be disposed of properly. And the dog shed should be properly cleaned.
Okay, we are coming to the conclusion of our discussion. To wind up, would you like to convey any message to our people, to our viewers and pet owners?
To all our pet owners and viewers, I like to convey a message that is, rabies is 100% vaccine preventable disease. Therefore, all are requested to avail this facility which the department is providing in all veterinary health centers and veterinary hospitals. The Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services provides this vaccine all throughout the year. So, all pet owners are requested to come and avail this facility, and all are asked to join in this vaccination program so as to eradicate rabies globally.
Okay, apni itia vaccination program join koribi koabra. So now where do the pets take their pets to vaccinate?
In all district or in block level, the department has our health centers and our veterinary hospital. So it's been open all throughout the day, means in all days except on government holidays. So they are asked to request to come with their dogs for vaccination. And when they get a vaccination card, to maintain the vaccination card properly so as the next vaccination due can be seen from that.
Okay, that was a detailed information shared to us. Thank you so much, Dr. Elizabeth, Ms. Petenio, for joining us. I hope our viewers, the pet owners and public have learned a lot through this discussion, and how to take care of their pets to prevent them from their rabies and its precautionary measures. Thank you once again for joining us.